Click on the link below to get price. The Fuji XT4 Body Black, Renewed, is an impressive addition to the mirrorless camera market, designed for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Upon unboxing, the first thing that catches the eye is the sleek, compact design that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also offers a robust build quality. The weather-sealed body withstands challenging environments, making it suitable for outdoor photography. One of the standout features of the XT4 is its exceptional image quality. The 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor captures stunning details with rich colors and impressive dynamic range. Whether shooting landscapes or portraits, this camera performs admirably, even in low-light situations, thanks to its excellent ISO performance. The inclusion of in-body image stabilization (IBIS) is a game-changer, allowing for sharper handheld shots and smoother video footage, which is particularly beneficial for content creators. The camera's autofocus system is rapid and reliable, with 425 phase detection points ensuring accurate tracking of moving subjects. This feature proves invaluable for sports and wildlife photography, where split-second timing is crucial. Additionally, the intuitive control layout, with dedicated dials for shutter speed and exposure compensation, provides a tactile shooting experience reminiscent of classic cameras. Video capabilities are equally impressive, offering 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second and 10-bit internal recording for rich color depth. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD is perfect for vlogging or capturing creative angles, enhancing the overall filming experience. While the battery life is decent, it could be improved. Carrying a spare is advisable for extended shoots. The Renewed model provides an affordable option for those looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. Overall, the Fuji XT4 Body Black, Renewed, offers an excellent combination of performance, versatility, and build quality, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about photography or videography. With its impressive features and robust design, it stands out as a top contender in the mirrorless camera market.